Have you ever watched karma hit someone harder than they ever expected? I never forgave my Uncle Dave for what he did to my dad. When my grandfather passed away, Dave manipulated my father into signing over his entire share of the family construction business for nothing. While we struggled to make rent, Dave built himself a mansion and collected luxury cars like toys. He'd humiliate Dad at every family gathering. "Hey little brother, that Toyota still running?" He'd smirk, dangling his Porsche keys. "Could give you a job as a site supervisor if you just ask nicely." Dad would force a smile and look down at his plate. I watched his spirit slowly break. When Dad got diagnosed with cancer, Dave showed his true colors. Never visited, just sent a $50 Walmart gift card saying, "Get well soon, bro." Dad died 3 months later, still believing he wasn't worthy of his share. I spent years playing the long game, got my MBA, joined the company, became the perfect nephew. "You're the son I never had," he'd brag to his friends. Last month, Dave handed me operational control while vacationing in the Maldives. While he posted beach photos, I executed my plan, transferred assets, moved clients, redirected accounts. His own accountant helped. Turns out he was tired of covering Dave's schemes too. When Dave landed, all he had left were debts and lawsuits. He called 12 times. I sent one text: "You should have treated my father." Have you ever watched